What's going on, everybody? New day today. Wednesday, no news. Or excuse me, Thursday, no news, which is interesting. Um, Waiting on Adam to give us a call. Here's an idea for today. It's going to shoot down into this 4-hour busy. Hoping to turn around, go back up to the daily civvy. See what happens. It might shoot up before it goes down. Let's see what happens. It's gonna shoot down. So just go ahead and call this the high. That's not what I need. There we go. A prediction. Maybe it's going to go up first to close the gap and then go down. Tiny little gap. 30 points. Getting a little bit bigger. Come on, Adam. Let's give him a call.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated
Straight to voicemail. Don't you hate when that happens? Oh, there it is. What the heck, man? Went straight to voicemail.
Oh, you tried to call me?
I just did. Yeah. I was about to text you.
I had to poop.
Oh, man. Our
live streaming.
Heck yeah.
All right, that's cool. I'm sorry.
I got 2 people watching. How about that?
2 people heard me say that. Hey, everyone poops, bro.
There you go.
All right. Small new day new day open gap or open range gap.
Tiny.
Not worried about it. Damn, we just chiseling back through this new week open gap.
Thursday.
No buy side liquidity major really even taken there. We had a few highs. We fell short yesterday afternoon. Fell short this morning. 1 hour, 4-hour BISI. Real curious if we get into that.
4-hour BISI. Yeah, I'm looking at that 4-hour BISI, and of course, that is also an entry to the 1-hour BISI.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping to see the play there.
Yeah. Absolutely. So respecting a 1 hour civvy right now, right?
Yeah.
Got 6 o'clock, 1 hour candle, nice big wick into that, and nearly fills it by $1 and shoots down. And that was pretty quick, man. That happened like basically when we opened. The 6:30 market opened. Yeah. So there you go. So what's our premise here?
Premise.
I don't. It's a little more unclear at the moment this morning.
Yes.
We're gonna have to wait to see how we respect all that, I guess. I did not pay for my top set combine.
Oh, you have it? Okay.
I'm sure it'll be fine. They sent me an email. Congratulations. Attaboy.
Attaboy.
Man, so I'm trying to work with ChatGPT right now. Dude, I'm like full on this foreclosure stuff.
Oh, cool, man.
Moment. It's putting reports together, but it can't do title searches. How cool would that be, huh?
Oh, that'll make your
You
job
just use
easy.
it. Yeah, it would do that for me, but it's like you can't actually do that.
I wonder if, I mean, I don't know if this is more work than it's worth, but you may be able to connect that database with ChatGPT.
Well, so each property in a different county, like I'm looking at 5 states.
5 states, yeah. Okay.
So it's not like you could maybe figure out a way to connect to Lincoln County.
Yeah.
You'd be doing this for all of them.
Yeah.
I don't know. That I need to get better at it. There's services out there, but geez,
Yeah.
bitches want some money, like $200 per property. And it's kind of like, well, I guess if you're thinking you're gonna bid on it, you spend the $200. But what if it goes over your bid and you're like, well, fuck, my 200's gone. I don't even want the house for this price anymore.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I got to figure out how I want to play that because I'm not going to pay $200. I mean, I got 40 saved right now in a watch list.
Wow. Jeez. How crazy would it be to go short right here? Man. Thought about it, hesitated.
Oh, you're trying to play the 730 city down and for at least taking out. I mean, what are we going for? We just got a few more points to go.
Yeah, look at that. That would have been, God, just again, more, I guess, hesitation, not having confidence. I mean, look at that. That would have been 40 points already.
Well, journal it.
Yeah.
You're not going to journal it.
No.
I can't believe you're not, because you're a ChatGPT guy. I can't believe you're not already on that.
No, wait. What am I going to do? Refer back to it? I'm not. I mean.
What do you mean?
Like,
you just ask ChatGPT, hey, what do you see? If you've got a month of journaling, say, hey, formulate kind of a pattern. I mean, you don't have to go back. You ask ChatGPT to do it.
Yeah.
Get AI to go back and place all that together, right?
I don't really
say every day you have fear,
Well, I mean, I know that. Like, I know that I have fear.
Okay.
I don't have.
Well, the more detail you give it, the more you would be able to.
Yeah.
What fear and the intuition first thing in the morning. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, nearly.
It's gonna shoot down quickly, creating inefficiencies.
So funny. Inside day on Friday, inside day on Monday, Tuesday, boom, big one. That was just overnight though. So, but yeah, 2 inside days stacked up. So the big move made sense on Tuesday. Crazy.
Oh, 2 inside. Yeah, I see. I see what you're. I smell what you're stepping on.
Well, on the daily, it's kind of makes sense. That could easily be a bottom yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Prices are back through, that huge move we had last week.
Yeah.
So we did that. We priced through all that. We got down. We didn't take that volume imbalance right there, but we civvied on the 4-hour down to it, right? And now we just bissied through that.
Mm-hmm.
That look. Yeah, there's definitely potential for. Yep, this morning. No news, right?
No news, which is weird, I think, for it being a Thursday.
Government's still shut down. What are we doing with that?
Mm-hmm. Is this your first presented FVG?
Oh, an actual basic, but it didn't do any. I mean, it took a London low. Didn't enter that, so I'm out.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Wow, this is setting up beautifully, man, for going down into that 4-hour BISI, 1-hour BISI, and then going back up. I think it's setting itself up beautifully. What do I know? I've been doing nothing but losing.
Well, yeah, that wasn't even a BISI.
No
Yeah, that's the
BISI.
thing. That's the other thing too. Like, I need, like, when you go to search something, it wants, of course, legal, right? Okay, let's try that. No search results. Huh? Oh shit.
There it is. Hey, Drake.
Yeah.
It's 7:40. All right, it took it. I was right about that. Journal that. Could have done it twice, pretty much. There's the city. It's crazy. Wild, man. Wild. Oops.
Love you.
Have a good day. Give you one. Give you 2 chances to get in short. That's wild. Did you play him?
Play what?
Ah, I thought you would have played it, man. Jesus.
What are you talking about?
To the downside.
Just mark it in for gut feeling?
No, just because just where's the market more likely to draw to?
Oh, it was no money, it was no points away. No. I mean, the entry to that was at 6:14. I mean, no. No, I'm surprised you think that's something I want to do. No, I'm talking, when you've got like a big open range gap, and you've done something, and you've got a long way to go. Sure.
Yeah.
But it gave me no entry, and it was already pretty much there. So, I think so. The only thing I've got now is to see, basically, you're right, we're first presented displacement this morning on 1 minute is a SIBI. But we've entered a 1 hour and 4 hour BISI. This comes off of, like we've already talked about, where the dailies come in, we've filled in all of that, inefficiencies, all the fucking gaps, everything. SIBI down, the 4 hour BISI back out. We just entered the inverted SIBI and volume imbalance on the 4 hour. Right?
Yep.
Okay. So, yeah, my premise would be to see displacement now. What I can use for that idea is the first presented for value gap. So now I need it, and I'm going to create that as one large one, just like the 2 minute would have.
Okay.
And so now what we need to displace through that. What's lower? What do we need? And honestly, it would be taking a sell side out.
Yeah.
Which is much, much, much lower. I don't see any other reason for it to just go like maybe another 20. Yesterday morning AM, possibly, but it would make more sense to take out Tuesday's actual low. So there's the first presented for value gap entry.
See that? I see that.
So this house sold for 200.
What are you trading?
For $285,000 2 years ago. Okay. And right now the current bid is $120,000. It's got 44 minutes left.
Dang. Go for it, man.
I'm not quite ready. I'm closing tomorrow.
Look at that. Look at that.
On everything, so.
Alrighty. Well, I guess I'm going to be playing this one. Size 1, 3.
I do that. I hate having all these accounts at like different. You know what I mean?
35, so 70.
Drives me bonkers. 15-second entry already. All we did was fill that. But 15-second entry. I'm already long on top top step because I just don't care. I mean, it's already,
25,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, just to simplify that, but I don't know what to do on my other accounts. Yeah. So, I think I have an idea of what it is I should do.
No, 25.50.
And I need to get this figured out. So I can scale, right? If I go 2, 5, and 1. Okay, let me try this. Let me try something. 2, 5. I haven't really worked on this. 1. Toggle on. Let me make sure these are toggled on. Yes. Okay, so I've got it where maybe I can start building. Excuse me. Start building a position here.
Oh, cool.
Which I kind of wish I'd have done about 20 points ago, but
Yeah.
I think that's. So I need to.
3.
Yeah, I need to fuck around with the settings over here,
2.
which is too late at the moment.
Okay. 1.
Going without you, bro.
Yeah. Are you in everywhere?
No, I don't know. Again, I don't know how to scale in. And so what I would have preferred to do, maybe tomorrow and have it ready. But just what I did with Top Step, I just kind of knew I want to be a part of this. So I just got in.
I see.
Not caring what the size of the loss is, a little more freedom.
Yeah.
But, and on the other ones, I don't,
Yes.
you've got a cash account, you've got 2 combines, you've got 2 funded, you got 1 that's huge funded. So all of them are different.
Yeah.
In terms of the contracts that you should trade. How the fuck do you handle that?
25.50.
I'm trying to think. No, it's just this thing I've been bitching. Oh. Nice. I'm buying right now. Okay. And again, here's my first.
5.
It's 1. Should click in there somewhere. Thank you. It's just. Oh shit. Oh man, that's gonna hurt.
Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah, that's just too mimicky. Dang. That's not good. That's not good. That's bad. Why is it pushing so hard against us there? Yeah. It's gonna be an ugly loser. Yep.
Holy moly, man.
Yeah. Got that one wrong, huh?
Yeah. Jesus.
Ooh, that hit hard.
Cool.
That one didn't work today. There you go.
Oh, man.
Alright, so I think I'm going to change this over. So the way to do this is know what I need to do now. I'm glad I didn't add more to it. I paused on that I could have added more. But
yeah. That sucked. It's like big time, man. Sorry, Robert. Robert just chimed in 2-3 minutes ago. Sorry, I was busy there. Lost on that one. Jesus.
Yep, gotta get it, brother. Okay.
Dang, man, that's wild.
All right, I think I've got 2 setups. So yeah. So the first presented fair value gap lost if it was a sell. That concept did not work for the long, and so now you go, well, is it short? Do you have that inside you to say, well, we're going to take out some sell side first in there? Yeah, man, I've been drawing back. Obviously still positive everywhere,
but... All right. So it's got more to go to the downside. Do we believe that? Do we think that?
Wonder who else got hit on that.
Tyler Trades did. Nothing's working. Okay, good deal.
Yeah, I mean, you got a big fucking stop loss trying to short here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But you could. You certainly could.
Is there a Trump announcement? Tyler has that as a question. Is there a Trump announcement today? Stay tuned. We'll be live again shortly.
Is that what's happened?
So.
We traded.
I think
I didn't
so.
see anything on fucking
live news. Stay tuned. We'll be live again shortly. I'm not sure, man. I can't really find it.
You would think it would be on the.
That's yesterday.
Calendar.
3 days ago, 11. No. Donald Trump. No. Nothing immediate.
No. Well, yeah, man, lost a bunch of money. That was the. I don't see any reason not to have played that though.
Yeah.
So there you go. That's just a really good loser.
It's a really good loser.
Yeah. Why not? Right?
Yeah. Why not?
Why not trade that? I think that was the trade.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go take that sell side.
Okay, so if it's not turning around here, we have that sell side liquidity at 283. That's a long ways down there. Oh no, that's a 1 hour. We've already been in that 1 hour BISI yesterday. 4. Okay. Well. That sucked. That sucked. That sucked.
You know, the thing about it, and again, your battle's not necessarily that trade. The battle is that same fucking thing happened yesterday, and it was a big winner.
Yeah.
And you didn't take it. That's, imagine capitalizing on that and then taking this.
Yeah.
Like, oh, it doesn't compare.
Yeah.
Like, it's fine.
Yeah.
And so just keep that in mind that nothing to do with that being not working. In fact, that you don't take the other one. So you gotta be consistent with that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start peeling my eggs right after I fucking boil them. So that I don't have to deal with this anymore. Every morning, bro.
You got bigger problems, man. You got egg problems. That's the bigger problem.
Eggs, bro.
I'm gonna go turn up the heat in this office.
I've got that combine still left.
Mm-hmm.
After one. So obviously I lost the egg on it a minute ago. I mean, I'm almost already recovered. That was, I think that was set up to basically fuck anyone who was trying to.
Long. Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, the first presented fair value gap worked today 4 times. 4 entries, I think. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
What are you talking about?
It gave you 4.
The 730 is not the first presented fair value gap.
Oh, no, you're right. You're right on that. That's talking about that Civi. That's interesting.
Yeah.
There you go. You should be in the green now, man. Jesus.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
You know, like that just intuition. Nah, fuck it. Yeah, let's just try, and then it works. I mean, it's just that St. Patrick feel. He would have done that with 20 accounts full position. You know.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna shoot for probably this first liquidity at 405. Damn, I'm up.
Jesus. With you didn't do it on all funded accounts though, huh?
No, this is just a straight up like combine deal. Like I said, I'm trying to get rid of this combine.
The combine. Just the combine. Combine.
Yeah, one combine only.
How much are you up on that combine? Just on this trade?
Oh, I'm up $1,000 right here.
Jesus.
Now we hit the Friday open range gap high. Like perfectly. Don't know why that would matter necessarily. I want the liquidity sell side at 405. I'm thinking about doubling down right here. Just because I don't give a shit. Right?
Yep.
Oh, I bought the market. Well, you're an idiot.
You got out?
I didn't mean to. Yeah. I just did it. I didn't mean to. I'm stupid. Okay. So now I'm going big. That's funny. Like, whoops.
That That's crazy, dude. Crazy.
All right, so I'm sold. I need to. Okay, I got confused there, man. I fucked myself. Anyway, yeah. So
591, 491. That's 100. Wow. Incredible. It's incredible how wrong you can be at times. Jesus, so where are we on the... Oh.
is it still going?
I mean, it's at its lows. Jump.
Did you say it's close?
It's at its lows.
Oh.
So I need to mark off this daily volume balance. See if it makes it there. Does a 1 hour have anything? No. No.
Push, nigga, push. Oh shit, I'm about to hit a target. I'm up handsomely on this thing today.
Are you gonna pass it?
No. So this is the one where not long ago I had almost lost it by $14. Remember?
Oh yeah.
So I was down $2,000.
Okay.
I'm up over $1,000 now.
Oh sweet.
So in other words, it's worth like saving it.
Sure.
At this point, it's like, well, okay. And I had just I had opened it, and it was the day after that I lost it.
Damn.
Right. So it was like, well, that was retarded. But I'm gonna pull out a $1,500 day today on that one.
Jeez.
I mean, we've got to take that sell side. I certainly don't want to miss this opportunity right here. But there we go. Here we go. Come on.
Ooh, excuse me. Jesus.
Okay.
It's gonna hit that daily volume imbalance.
Yeah.
It's fucking crazy.
That's another, boom. All right, dude. So, hey, I made, all right, so that's a $600 loss, right, on our trade.
Yeah.
But I just turned it into a $1,400 loss.
Oh man, you made 2,000.
Yeah, basically 2,000 on them downs.
Yeah.
There you go.
Amazing. Awesome, man.
So yeah, now that account is up to 1,700. I've got to get to 3,000.
Oh, you're almost there, dude. Shoot.
Yeah, if I pay, so what I'm trying to get at is if I end up, I'm not going to pay for that other one, and if I end up passing two of them,
yeah,
then I'll consider, trading them. It's not that hard. I just have to be here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I didn't short it, but let me tell you what happened to me. Now that you're out of your trade, on the Apex side, which is the side that I'm most worried about, right? Small accounts, big accounts, I'm all worried about it. So in the midst of trying to get into our play, it was going up, and I was like, well, let me remove my actual true entry and let me try to get in half right now and then get in the other half at the true entry.
Right.
The moment I clicked exit, cancel my entry order, that is when the market started moving down. And so I got in at an incredible price of 25,606. And I ended up exiting at 595 even. So I only lost 10, 11 points.
Perfect. Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Good, man. Yeah, no, I took full. Well, actually, and so on my end, it was so fast down. Like I told you,
Yeah.
I was already starting the scale in, and then I didn't have the other order up yet.
Oh, okay.
And so I was like, wait a minute, hold on, this is not looking good. It was already way past where I was going to.
Yeah.
So I just waited, and then it knocked you out. So I was like 2 micros, bro.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're not that bad.
That's $100. I mean, it was 100. I don't know, 130.
I mean, a loss is a loss.
Just don't pay attention.
Yeah.
I don't know. Here, let's see. Well, no, it was $230 loss.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, big.
I mean, I took a full loss on the Top Step side, full loss, and that sucked.
Hey, man, so I need to be careful, right? Because my daily P&L one day cannot succeed 50% of target in Top Step, correct?
I think so. Yes.
You need to actually, real quick, you need to watch the quadrant of yesterday's wick.
Wick, yes.
50% got it perfectly. So let's pay attention to that.
50 low 4. Yep. He did.
I like to just get ripped here, but right now it looks really cool. Dang, Lola's fucking going like 40 mile an hour across the property. Dude, I fantasize about a day where I can bill money doing this, the investment account's growing, and I'm flipping foreclosures, making 25 to 50%.
Yeah.
And I don't have to, like right now, I'm like, well, I got Hank and I got Nate going and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, dude. I'm with you, dude. I'm with you right there.
Pacing the house thinking, I gotta get out of here pretty soon. Yeah. I'd imagine a day where I didn't have to, where my office is like
his home.
My temple, yeah. Which I'm in a fucking living room right now. So the other fantasy would be to have an office.
Yeah.
In the house with great views and a comfortable place where I could stand and do my stuff. Also,
I get
Look at that. God, would you try it again? Would you try it again?
I don't know,
here.
Man.
So your premise, obviously, we didn't take any sell side, which is gay. However, golly, the 50%. Now, I think, let me just say this out loud. I think that 50%, I could be wrong, but that's more of a, if you take profits, if you get to something like that.
It's not like a entry model, so to speak.
I don't know. So I guess I have to admit that I don't know. I mean, I've heard you tell me, like, dude, I'm not playing those because I've lost on them. And I have not heard Michael say that's the play. I've heard him say, be cautious when you reach these large wicks because price has a tendency to stop. And you look at the consequent encroachment of these wicks and then look at that. And its stop price. So he literally says that's where you would want to be taking profits. He never ever, that I know of, has said, play that as a reverse in the market. Like that was a target somehow. Right?
Yep. That's.
I think the tail's a good idea to dig. Your chips will be higher. Yeah. Just let the chi-chis hang out. Well, there you go. That's it. Part of me just kind of feels like, but what's the stop loss there? Would you try that again?
It's 42, and it got a little bit better. So what, 30, 36? 32? It's 32 now.
I mean, I don't know what my limit is on my tries here, but I could.
Oh, God, look at that. I mean, now it's, 20 points. This isn't looking good.
Yeah.
I guess you can try just gambling at this point. Oh, look at that. Tiny loss, 10 points.
Well, it didn't lose. That bitch didn't lose yet. But yeah, it didn't.
12.
Doesn't look great. This is going to be 2 red weeks in a row. That's crazy, huh?
Let's see here.
You're definitely red this week too, right?
Oh, God. I've been doing nothing but losing, dude. Yeah. I was looking for a vacuum for the cordless usually.
It was a great 5-minute Sibi entry.
You got a 10-point stop loss from here, but yeah, it doesn't look good, dude.
Well, it's not your look. No, I don't think it's your look. No, that's not the look. I already can tell you. It's not familiar. Yeah.
Yep. Loser.
Nice.
So, again,
it wants to go lower.
It wants to go lower. 281.75, yeah.
So you've got to kind of, I don't know. I think that was pretty interesting. Could you really begin to trust that? I feel like it's been pretty consistent.
Yeah.
Where, if it's not this way, it's the other way. All I've done is do that. I've only played that on the combines, but I'm passing them. So
yeah,
like this is a red week. However, I passed a top step, and I've majorly recovered another one. Like I can't believe I got that thing.
It's awesome.
I know. What's crazy? It would have passed it easily if I hadn't had that, opened it that day. Dude, I took that thing in the $14 left.
How'd you do it, man? It's $14, dude. It literally 1 or 2 ticks, depending on how many contracts you had, would have done it.
I told you how I did it. I got in. I was scaling in, scaling out very aggressively. And so as I was becoming green, that gave me room, and I'd be adding, and then letting loose, and then pull back, and I add, and then I did it again as it went up. And I literally, it stair-stepped for a little while.
Yeah.
And I was scaling out at the highs, scaling in when it pulls back, scaling out at the highs. And I got like $300 back. I was like, oh, sweet.
Damn.
And I just started trading it normally. So it just took itself out again.
Yeah, see that.
That's interesting. I wonder if Pickles is going to put a video out going, I just can't with this price action.
Yeah, absolutely. You know it will. You know you will.
you have on the 1 minute, you've got S&T, and I don't think this is a thing, but Nasdaq made a new low. EX did not. Right?
Yes. I hate when you ask me questions
Now this
about
could
ES.
be a little more legit, huh?
Hate when you ask me questions about ES.
I've got all my screens.
Oh, I see that.
Let's see. So the low is 404. The low we just put in. Missed sell side by 50 cents, bro.
Lord. 50 cents.
Yeah. Still early. So I need to stop trading because if I were to on top stuff, if I were to trade it and win again, then I've screwed my. Because I'm 1,400 out for the day.
Yeah, you can't play it anymore.
Yeah, so I need to be done. So I'm gonna close it. Okay. Cool. Shit, man, one more day like that.
But what? I mean, what are you saying here, man? I'm getting conflicted.
Also, I was already in the situation, right? And then I end up passing because I didn't really care, so I was just trading it.
Sure.
So, yeah, fuck, I'll get in here, but So I ended up passing one, which is, I told you, is kind of annoying. Dude, this is looking better.
To the upside?
I'm going to be patient, though, because I anticipate maybe some deep diggers. What am I trying to say? Retracements? I don't know. Anyway, so then when that happened, I already had the other combine, which I hadn't lost yet. I was like, well, and I had recovered it up $300, and now it's up $1,700. So it's like, well, fuck. Okay, so here's the deal. If I can pass this second one, then I will fill out the form and pay for 2 top steps.
Okay.
And I'll have 2 funded up there. Right?
All right.
Look at this.
There's the entry.
Looky. Wait. It's so different. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Something different here. Oh, shit. You are an idiot. God dang it. Yeah. That's funny. Dang, dude. Oh, got these badass cuticle clippers. Oh, man. They're so good. They're aggressive as fuck. Fuck, I'm hungry, though.
You're hungry?
Shit, my foreclosure. I want to see how this foreclosure's doing. This has some potential, man. Okay, what do we got left? 46 seconds left. $210,000. 215 next bid. It went up to 200,000. And reserve not met. Oh, come on. Fuck you. That's not. There's no margins in that. And plus, I don't even know the title.
Yeah.
So there you go. So in El Paso, man, when I watched those auctions, dude, they went up for high. I'm
Really?
like, this is gonna be a tough game, I think.
Well, you have cash, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just be quick on it, man. Be quick on it.
Well, Well, no. So what I mean is the bid. There's going to be so much volume that these bids are going to go up to a point past margin. Like, I don't want to try to make $20,000 on a $200,000 investment.
Yeah.
Fuck that. Right. And so I think they're going for high. Now I think that's going to be more on the online stuff because obviously, right? Everybody sit there in their fucking underwear, clicking a button on the phone.
Yeah.
I think I'll have better luck at the in-person only,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Right. Where it's like that weeds a lot of people out. And you get probably more your professional guys. So I'm pretty sure it's going to end up happening. I will watch every single one of these, but, So. Are you long yet?
Yes.
Good. Me too. Morning highs?
It's way up there, man.
Well, I mean, what would you go for?
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, I would say morning highs would probably be good. Could just take it at re-entering the first percentage pair handicap just to be safe.
Yeah.
Which is still a decent move, right? So that's what I might do. I might just say, hey, I'm happy right there. That's 614, essentially. Right?
Yeah.
Let's say we can make it to 614. That would be good. Stop loss. I'm going to bring to the bodies down there just to pull it up a little bit.
Okay.
All right, entry. It's huge. Good Lord. I didn't get this. I screwed up my entry. So I didn't have Replicanto again. The complexity is annoying as fuck.
Yeah.
So I just didn't have it. Right.
What's that high right there? High 44. Okay.
Okay, I've got an alert set. Now, what I need to be able to do, and I can do this, I can sign in and cancel orders. And probably do that successfully, I don't know. So if we, depending on what target we hit first, order, I should be able to sign in and just cancel. I think that can happen. Cool. Well, let's hope that this works out for us, huh?
Yeah, Jesus.
Where's your stop loss?
Well, it's already break even.
So I got in so damn late. I would love to do that. Oh, you did? You didn't get an entry?
No, not at all.
No. Yeah, no, it's like, oh, crap. I'll figure out what I should do before I leave on the stop loss. Is that reserve not met on that property? So I don't know if that just means it
Where'd you get in? I got in at 498.
Oh, I'm 95. Okay. They keep pushing it forward. 38 seconds left, but the reserve's not met. I just don't think there's enough margin there. If you want to make 20% minimum, I mean, that would mean that everything would be like perfect on here. So I'm not gonna. You could probably just go in. They keep adding to it. That's funny. Just trying to get it up to the reserve, but fuck that. I don't think so.
All right, I'm out. At least I made back what I lost yesterday. Jesus.
Oh, you made money?
Today? Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. God, at least I made some money back. God dang. Okay.
Well, I'm in it for a loss today, so I'm gonna leave my stop loss down. I don't. This thing were to shoot all the way down, it'd be wild. I just don't. I'm not asking for too much.
Mm-hmm.
First presented fair value gap up there would make sense. At least kind of get itself back in. That's before the tiny open range gap.
75, that's 25, 50. Wow. You survived this little pullback, man.
Yeah, I just don't. I don't know. I'm on the fence about stop losses.
Sure. Alrighty. At least they pulled off a green freaking day.
Oh, going back down again. Was that a civvy entry? You see that?
Yeah, I see it. I sees it. I sees it. I sees it.
That's weird.
So what am I for this week?
I just got out of that.
You did?
I did. I don't love that. Now this could go deeper.
That's what she
I was
said.
about to leave. Dude, what should I do right there? That's weird. I'm gonna delete that. And I'm gonna delete that. Delete. Crap. Dude, I almost recovered
98.
at those highs.
Oh, good. Oh, I get it.
You know?
Yeah.
Delete, bitch. Get out of there. There we go.
Oh,
Well, I feel like I need to be better. Do you know what I mean?
yeah.
No sale. Auction ended.
35.
Um,
It's only really made 35 points. Okay.
So my belief is that this thing is going to do exactly what it always does.
My belief is that it's going to hit that daily volume imbalance.
Oh, you think this thing's going to rip lower?
Yeah, just by the way that this looks.
So all I think it's going to do is just enter those BISTs down below on the 1 minute, meaning that the BIST here loses.
I see.
You know, at 820, and which I've seen that all the time, and then it goes higher.
Yeah.
If this goes up to that 1%, I'm gonna be so like, bro. You know. Because that would have been a good winner for the day.
That's true entry to what we just did now. Fuck, dude, that was decent. But that's a big stop loss. I can't believe I played it. It provided
Good for you, man.
It provided 71 points. And on top of me not believing that I actually played it, I doubled up in size.
Oh shit.
And that
So
I took profit at 533.75.
Got you. Okay.
And that's why I was able to pull off a decent green. Plus, I only lost.
Check this out, dude. You're gonna get a better price. Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you see this and you go, oh god, no. But what you don't realize, that's possible. A really good re-entry.
That's absolutely crazy, man, because, well, okay.
It's possible. We've seen that happen so many times, dude.
I've seen it more often do exactly what it did. I've made money on these trades, the one that we were both in, and then it's only a quick retracement up so that it continues lower. I've seen this pattern over. I almost want to short it.
Yeah, that City up above. I got out with a profit.
Oh,
like
good.
I said, recovered a little bit. 60, 70 points or something.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm sorry, dollars. Nothing. But,
Mm-hmm.
I'm fucking really glad that I did. Dang, dude, it just filled all that. Oh, that's tough for me, man.
Dang, dude.
This part of me's like, dude, they should just buy in right here.
That's crazy because I want to short. It's appetizing.
Wow.
Oh, Tyler trades. You're trying to short too. I see it, dude. I see it. Damn.
Okay, since my idea is pretty strong and long and everybody's trying to short, maybe I'm not reading something right. I guess
There's
I'm out, man.
Let's see. What's your stop loss from right here?
Oh, just be right down there, right? Just
Yeah. So you're talking.
It's not bad.
You're talking 43 points from here, short.
Those moves are actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good size. That's okay.
Oh, come on.
There we go. Got you on speaker here. You hear me?
Yeah.
No, you might be right, dude. This could be some more downside to this. I bet you my investments are hurting a little bit. Oh, I can tell you they are.
That's the unicorn trade, man. The trade that we took.
Dang, dudes. We're going lower.
It
You
went.
know what? I better peek over at my investment accounts before I leave the house.
It went lower, then went higher, then went lower, taking itself out, and then the play happened. That's crazy.
So my problem here is Morningstar I opened last night.
Yeah, because you just opened it.
I just opened it last night. I know. I'm like, oh crap. Well, so when they're a couple days old, it's much better, right? Yeah, so towards the end of the week, I'm positive here.
Oh, look at that. Oh, damn it. I knew it. Damn it.
Okay, I need to go watch the Delta on this.
450. Not like I would have played it, but Jesus.
Okay, trade alert. Delta. Great. I want to know if my Delta hits 40. Oh, yeah, damn it. Dude, I've gotten so close to hitting 10,000.
Yeah. And then the market pulls back.
And then it's just, no.
Yeah.
So now I'm getting hit, dude, getting hit. My oil, let's see. Oil did drop back. Good, but I'm up on that. Yeah, so I've got the Morningstar, positive delta. I've got an MES, which is a huge positive delta. I'll be adding the MES. Oh my god. I'm adding down at 690. I wonder if I should add at this sell side from Tuesday. Or if I should wait for more of a major. All right.
$42. I'm down $42 on the small accounts this week.
Dude, look at that. These bull runs and then boom, bull runs and then boom.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
It's getting, it's 100 points away from that daily volume imbalance.
Right. So you're gonna short this right here? Huge stop losses.
Yeah, those are huge stop losses, man. Of course not. The short, there's no entries. Wow.
15-second, I bet there is, but you don't play that. Homie, don't play that.
You and your 15-second chart.
Hey man, I'm gonna have to call escrow company and try to work something out over there. And,
okay.
I'll have to call you back. I'm leaving though. I'm gonna go to work.
Yeah. It's 8:40 here, anyways. I'm gonna put an alert at the daily volume imbalance, but that's it.
Okay. Yeah, you're not gonna play down to it.
No.
Okay. Well, all right, bro. Yeah, good morning on the top, Steph. Down a little again, personally.
Yeah, fuck.
What you gonna do, huh?
Delete.
All right, buddy.
Okay, man. Talk to you later, bro.
So I'll call you back in a sec. Yeah.
All right, later. That's it for me, Robert. Sorry I wasn't very vocal. I'm frustrated. Been doing nothing but losing on the Apex side. The Top Step side, I've been taking those losses, but at the very least, 3 weeks ago, I went on a huge bull run, if you will. I'm frustrated with the Apex side, and I'm nervous about it. That's just the truth. 959. Which one's a really bad one? There's one that's really, really bad. 959. 925. This one. 698, so $700. 698, so 700 left drawdown. Did you not make that short play? No, I didn't make this short play. There's no entries. Neither this one. No. I didn't really feel like explaining it to Adam, but what happened here, and if you were watching my stream, you would have seen that I was actually short here. I got super, super lucky. I had my orders in here, but then I was thinking about not this one, the one Atomate. Oh yeah, no, I didn't make that short. Um, but the funny part is I was in it for a little bit. I took my entry orders, essentially my long orders that I had here, because I wanted to break up my orders in half. Because at the time it was trading up here, I was like, well, I'll get in half here. There's Adam. Yo.
Well, fucker's not answering.
Okay.
It's heading there, huh?
Yeah.
Well, duly note on that. I need to start doing better notes. Anyway, yeah, that 50%. Yeah, there was a reaction. However, it was more of a profit-taking area, possibly than any kind of reverse in price in the day. So, you know, I think I'm pretty sold on that idea.
Yeah,
you know
I've profited many times in it's like catching a falling knife, so to speak, where I see something and I get in and I play it and I make a little bit of money against the overall trend. But yeah, I just got as soon as it started coming back down, I've seen it just so many times. Like I said, I play against the trend, make money, sure, but then it just comes and clobbers you. And then it continues.
And that's the trade you need to be on.
And that's the trade you need to be on, yeah. And which is why, well, I don't really want to get into it, but I've done that so many times, and it's like 50-50, which is why I keep trying. When I have this idea, whether it be long or short, and I get stopped out, I immediately want to go the other direction, just for the simple fact that I got stopped out.
So, in scenarios where this works, is when the market is going to reach somewhere.
Yes.
And
yes.
It's funny lately. I feel like we haven't seen a lot of times where the market just really is shit. For some reason, I feel like last summer we had a lot of that. Maybe it's just because I was watching the 15-minute. We were living on the 15-minute, thinking that was the end all be all, and it was this shitty 15-minute candle stacked over top of each other.
Yeah.
But lately, I feel like it's actually moving in directions, and you can trust that.
I get it. I get what you're saying. Oh man, it's about trusting your instincts.
Kind of, and you realize you're starting to get instincts because you stare at this shit every day. It's almost inevitable.
Yeah, I was about to say something along those lines. It's just because we're watching it every day. You just eventually you kind of just get it.
That's what I think is with Patrick right now. I think because he has been doing it for 8 to 10 years. I don't know where he's at now, but it's close to that. That you do just kind of go, now we're going to reach here. Mm-hmm. And if you have the balls to just get in, like today, I mean, another huge opportunity to clear quite a bit of points.
That's funny, man. Yeah. It's funny because it's there. It's always there. Oh, I'm getting a call, man. I'll call you back.
All right, later.
See you later, Robert. I'm going to take off too. I got lots of work to do. Thanks for watching today's episode of the shit show. The Giovanni Adam Trading Shit Show. See you guys later.